The best way to quit smoking. Sa mga taong tobacco users, ang pag-crave ng tobacco o kagustuhan na pag-smoke ay sobrang powerful. But you're not at the mercy of these cravings. Ang pagsigarilyo ng tobacco ay both a physical addiction at habit. Ang nicotine na galing sa sigarilyo na nagkakos sa ating katawan na maka-experience ng physical withdrawal symptoms at cravings. Nang dahil sa nicotine's feel-good effects sa ating utak, you may turn to cigarettes as a quick at reliable na makaka-boost sa iyong outlook, relieve stress, and unwind. Smoking ay isa din sa way na makaka-cope ka sa depression, anxiety, at boredom. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated for our new uploaded videos. Comment and share for topic ideas. Trying to quit smoking is not a single event that happens on one day. It is a journey. Sa paghinto, ito ay makaka-improve sa iyong kalusugan at quality and duration sa iyong life, as well as sa buhay ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Ang paghinto sa pagpaninigarilyo, you not only need to alter your behavior and cope with the withdrawal symptoms experienced from cutting out nicotine, pero kailangan mo din ng ibang mga paraan para ma-manage mo yung mood mo. When an urge to use tobacco strikes, remember that although it may be intense, it will probably pass within 5 to 10 minutes whether or not you smoke a cigarette or take a dip of chewing tobacco. Each time na ikaw ay magre-resist sa tobacco cravings mo, you're one step close to stopping tobacco for good. Identify your smoking triggers. Isa sa pinaka-the best na gawin mo para matulungan mo ang sarili mo sa paghinto na sa pagpanigarilyo ay i-identify mo ang mga bagay na makaka-trigger para mag-crave ka ng smoke, including specific situations, activities, feelings, and people. Ito ang 10 ways para makatulong sa inyo to resist the urge to smoke or use tobacco kung mag-strike ulit yung cravings nyo. Number 1. Try nicotine replacement therapy. Magtanong muna sa inyong doctor kung ano ang nicotine replacement therapy. The options include prescription nicotine in a nasal spray or inhaler, over-the-counter nicotine patches, gum, and lozenges, prescription non-nicotine stop smoking medications such as bupropion, Zyban, and varenicline, Chantix. Short-acting nicotine replacement therapies katulad ng nicotine gum, lozenges, nasal spray, or inhalers ay pwedeng makatulong sa inyo sa pag-overcome sa inyong cravings. Itong mga short-acting therapies are generally safe na gamitin na combination with long-acting nicotine patches or one of the non-nicotine medications. Number 2. Avoid triggers. Kung ikaw ay nagsusmoke, kung ikaw ay may kausap sa telepono, ang pwede mong gawin, magtabi ka ng paper at ballpen para ma-occupy ka lang. Pwede kang mag-drawing or kahit ano para hindi makaisip na magsusmoke ulit. Number 3. Chew on it. Maghanap ng pwedeng mong makain katulad ng chewing gum, hard candy, pwede din carrots, or sunflower seeds, something crunchy and satisfying. Number 4. Don't have just one. Maaari kang ma-attempt na kumuha ng isang sigarilyo para ma-satisfy ang tobacco craving mo. Pero huwag mong i-fool ang sarili mo na maniwala na makakahinto ka dyan. Number 5. Get physical. Ang physical activity ay makakatulong sa iyo para ma-distract ka para mag-crave ng tobacco at para ma-reduce yung intensity. Kahit konting physical activity lang, katulad ng running up and down the stairs, ay pwedeng makawala ng craving mo sa tobacco. Get out for a walk or jog. Number 6. Practice relaxation techniques. Ang paninigarilyo ay maaaring yan ang way mo para makakope up sa stress. Resisting a tobacco cravings ay minsan stressful. Maghanap ka ng relaxation technique such as deep breathing exercises, muscle relaxation, yoga, visualization, massage, or listening to calming music. Number 7. Remind yourself of the benefits. Write down or say out loud the reason you want to stop smoking and resist tobacco cravings. This might include feeling better, getting healthier, sparing your loved ones from secondhand smoke, saving money. Number 8. Be patient. Ang pag-let go sa isang habit na nakasanayan mo na for many years, kung hindi whole adult life mo, It's only fair na makaka-expect ka na breaking down the old associations na nakatie up sa smoking and replacing ito sa bagong healthier habits will take time. Have patience with yourself and trust the process. Number 9. Take care of yourself. Remember, kung ang nicotine withdrawal ay hindi magiging pain-free na experience, ito ay isang temporary phase of recovery na kailangan nating pagdaanan para maka-get through. Watch out for the last tip para makuha mo ang pinaka-the best na tip na makuha mo para sa pag-push up. Huwag mo nang mag-next video para malaman mo kung ano ang pinaka-importante na tip para maka-move on sa smoke addiction. Number 10. Avoid alcohol. Tayong lahat ay may iba-ibang paraan kung paano tayo makaka-move on sa proseso sa pag-alis ng nicotine addiction sa ating sistema. Huwag mong isipin kung gaano katagal mawala ang cravings mo for nicotine. Kung hindi, ang dapat mo lang gawin ay mag-focus sa current situation mo in stopping sa pag-crave ng nicotine. Think positive. You might have tried to quit smoking before and not manage it. Huwag mong sayangin yung panahon na pwede palang mag-quit ka. Tignan mo ang mga experience mo at tignan mo kung ano ang gagawin mo this time. Itong video na ito contains tips to help you on how to quit smoking. Kung ikaw ay nag-try mag-quit ng smoking at nag-fail noon, take comfort sa fact na most people ay nag-fail several times bago nag-quit successfully. Ang dati mo na failures ay hindi ito lesson na ikaw ay walang posibilidad na mag-quit. Ngunit tingnan. Remember, trying something to beat the urge is always better than doing nothing. And each time you resist a tobacco craving, you're one step closer to being totally tobacco-free. At ito ang best way to quit smoking. Sana'y may natutunan kayo sa aming video. For more information on the benefits when you stop smoking, watch our next video. Here are other videos na dapat niyong panoorin for more tips and tricks on how to maintain your health and wellness. Thanks for the views and God bless!